Attracting and keeping someone's interest is based on a balance of self-confidence, respect, and understanding. While there's no surefire formula for making someone chase you, here are 10 principles that can help create the conditions where attraction and interest can naturally grow. 1. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence is magnetic. Women, like anyone, are drawn to people who believe in themselves without being overbearing. Show that you're comfortable in your own skin and secure with who you are. This sets the tone for others to feel comfortable around you too. 2. Have a purpose and passion. A person with a clear sense of direction and passion for life is always appealing. Whether it's your career, hobbies, or personal goals, having something you're passionate about shows that you're driven and ambitious. It makes you stand out because it's attractive to see someone living with purpose. 3. Maintain your independence. While relationships are about partnership, maintaining a sense of independence is essential. This includes having your own friends, activities, and goals. It shows that you're not overly reliant on others for happiness and makes you more intriguing. 4. Create mystery. Being too predictable can lead to boredom. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Let her get to know you slowly over time. A little mystery keeps someone intrigued and interested. 5. Be genuine and authentic. Pretending to be someone you're not is a recipe for failure. Genuine, honest communication is key. Women are more likely to chase someone who is authentic, as it builds trust and emotional connection. 6. Show respect and appreciation. Respect is fundamental in any relationship. Treat her with kindness, listen actively, and show appreciation for who she is as an individual. Women are drawn to men who treat them with respect and who value their thoughts and feelings. 7. Be a good listener. It's easy to get caught up in talking about yourself, but being a good listener is a major factor in creating emotional attraction. Show interest in what she has to say and pay attention to her body language and subtle cues. People appreciate when they feel heard and understood. 8. Have a sense of humor. Humor is one of the best ways to create a connection. Being able to make someone laugh and keep the mood light is very attractive. However, always be mindful to be funny in a way that is respectful and not hurtful. 9. Be emotionally available. Emotional availability is crucial. While you don't need to be overly expressive at all times, showing that you can open up, share your thoughts, and be there when needed can create an emotional bond that keeps someone coming back for more. 10. Be ambitious and keep improving yourself. People are drawn to others who are constantly striving to better themselves. Whether it's improving your career, working on your fitness, or expanding your knowledge, showing that you're always growing will make her chase you. It signals that you're focused on progress and self-improvement, which is inspiring. Conclusion. The key to making someone chase you is not manipulation, but rather being the best version of yourself while respecting her feelings and desires. Genuine attraction comes when you offer value in your personality, your actions, and your connection with her. If you maintain these qualities, the right person will naturally want to be around you.